Hello. For normal sculpt, you can find free base meshes or objects um, on, for example, Sketchfab. I'm going to the internet. This is Sketchfab, and you can search for free base. And now you have to create a free account. It's free. There are also paid models, but you can filter and sort your search for free models and use them in Procreate. I scroll a little bit down and I'm looking for a base model. Okay, I take this close base mesh, press on download. I download the GLTF format. It takes a few seconds to load it down. Okay. I switch to the Nomad app and press the project button, add to scene, yes, and close base mesh. This is a zip file, position number 2. So, and there is it. And okay, some files are divided in different objects. You can merge them together. This is okay. I show you another example. I delete this one and cancel. Yes, this is a horse I downloaded for Procreate, and these are the mesh is in parts. You can select the meshes and voxel merge them. And now you can sculpt. Make a bigger horse. Okay, that's it. There are other sites like Sketchfab, for example, TurboSquid, CG Trader, Thingiverse. You can check all these sites, but I'm happy with Sketchfab. Okay, have fun with sculpting. Ciao.